Okay, this is Andrea Valley, and we finished our final restorative, a month ago? About a month ago? Mm-hmm. Okay. And we started about a year ago, so it's been a long haul. So, Andrea, tell me what it was like when we first met that first day.
That first day, I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't open my mouth past probably about here. It wasn't far because I was having a lot of trouble eating. When I did open my mouth past that point, I got a very loud kunk on the left side, which was incredibly painful. And I was pretty hopeless that anyone would ever be able to fix it because I'd been to chiropractors and lots of different people who all said, oh, that's bad.
Right.
And that was all the information I had.
Right. And you didn't really come here expecting...
I didn't come here for this. I came here to get my teeth cleaned.
Right.
Yeah. Because I wanted a biological, natural dentist.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so, and then you said, oh, that's a problem, and I can fix that. And I kind of didn't really believe you.
Right.
I was like, oh, okay, sure. It's like broken, so I don't know how you're going to fix it without surgery, but you were convinced that you were going to be able to fix it. So.
Right.
Yeah.
So we got the guard in.
We got the guard in, and then I was converted to a believer pretty much within 3 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. Within 3 days, my pain went from a 10 down to probably about a 3.
Wow. It didn't take long.
No.
Pretty easy to convince.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we did our restorative process about a month ago. Tell me about what it was like to be here for 2 days.
Right. Yeah. Well, as a busy mom, it was almost like a break for me, but it was actually pretty relaxing. I mean, I think that numbing all of this really helped. There was lots of numbing across here and with the, what do you call that thing that you expanded my face with?
Yeah.
Okay, so that opened everything up, and I could really just kind of relax into it and let you do all the work that you needed to do, which I think helped you go a little bit faster.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah,
we actually moved at a really good pace.
We got almost all of it done in 6 hours.
Yeah. We had to do some finishing up the next day.
We had, I think, 3 or 4 hours of adjustments the next day.
Right.
But we got most of it done in about 6 hours, and it was. I was shocked after I saw, we did the first 2, I think, and then I looked at it, and I just couldn't believe that I was actually missing that much teeth. I was shocked.
Yeah.
And I took a picture, and I show people that picture now, and they're just, what? They're amazed.
Yeah.
That I was missing that much teeth.
How did you live like that?
How did I live like that?
How did it become so normal? That is one of the things that's amazing.
Right.
How did you feel immediately after, like that first night, second night?
There was still a little bit of tension. I felt like getting my bite to exactly that point was a little bit tense the first night. And then I said, oh, I think some things are hitting on the front. And you said, no, it's the back. And so we fixed the back, immediately went away.
Yeah.
And so probably by the second night, I would wake up in the morning and it would be completely seated. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
It was completely perfect.
Awesome. And so from the last month, gosh, we haven't seen each other at all.
Right.
Really no issues.
No. The side to side was conking on that one spot, and that was really
one place to work out.
Mm-hmm.
Super stable.
No problems.
And tell me about what you noticed in your body throughout just during this whole process.
Well, my craniosacral therapist also noticed, and I did as well, that the hips were a lot more stable from really the moment that we put the mouth guard in. That changed everything. So more stable in the hips, less back pain, less lower back pain, less shoulder pain, less neck pain. My neck pain that I had pretty much ever since I can remember completely went away with the mouth guard.
Wow.
Yeah. Gone forever. So I used to have to go to the chiropractor a lot. I was always looking for this adjustment that would kind of release the pressure, and it would work for about 3 days.
Right.
And then it would come back, and then we put the mouth guard in, and that went away after about a month completely. And then I haven't been to the chiropractor since.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't miss that.
No.
You don't like spending money on that too, right?
Right.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure
Thank
working
you.
with you.
Yes.
It really has.
Yeah.
All right.